Hello, English Nook. Well, we're going to take a new adventure in Pronunciation Day, and therefore our lesson today is going to be the sounds of S. Let me give you a short introduction to the lessons that will be shared. First, there will be a lesson 1, the sound of S, lesson 1. And in this one, it's going to focus on the sound of S as Z, which is formed after voiced letters. It is forming with no extra syllables at the end of the word, and the sound is formed in the mouth. And then we will have the sounds of S lesson 2. And in this one, we are going to look at the sounds of S making S. And these are after voiceless or aspirated or air consonants, those consonants that force the air out. It makes no extra syllable, and it is formed within the mouth. The sound is in the mouth. And then we will have another lesson, which will be the sounds of S, lesson 3. And in this lesson, we will be looking at another look at it. This is the sound of S with the as, is, as. And I like to do schwa with the Z sound, but then there's also this one that's being used a lot internationally, the letter I for the is sound. And this will be used after voiced consonants. It does form an extra syllable at the end of the word, and there is a vibration or a humming sound that's in the throat. Z, as, is. You can feel it in there. So these will be our pronunciation day. We will give you plenty of video practice to hear the sounds of S, and then lots of explanations too.